Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I'm back on the Turbo Mini again. Just doing the last few bits and pieces on it before I take it down and get it all registered. So one of the things I had to do is I don't know if you guys know, but I've put an electric water pump on this car. So basically I was running that at full speed all the time. So it was kind of not hardwired, but it was wired through a relay. But as soon as you connected the battery, it was running all the time. So I put in what's known as a water pump and fan controller. So one of the things I had to change was this sensor here, which it all comes with a kit and a connector as well. And obviously there's a bit of wiring to do. So I had to change some of the wiring, mainly the connections to the fan, because that went through the original sensor there, so that had to be changed. But this is a lot better system, I think. How reliable it's going to be, we'll find out in due course. But that's the unit in here. So what it does is it monitors the temperature, then it controls the speed of the water pump, and then it engages the fan if it gets too hot. So the good thing about this system is you can adjust that temperature for when you want the fan to kick in. So if I just switch the ignition on a minute, as you can see, it all lights up. You can hear the fan, or sorry, the water pump starting up. And on there, I don't know if you can see it, guys, there's it shows you the voltage and the temperature of the water in the engine as well. Yeah, you can hear that gargling away there. So it's actually stopped the fan at this stage. So it obviously, it's because it feels the temperature's too cold, then it won't run the pump. Sorry. Yeah. So what you have to do is run a few wires to it. All comes, say, with the kit and all the explanation of how to connect it all up. Okay guys, so to actually wire this controller in, it's pretty simple. So the connections are, you need a positive 12 volts permanent, you need an ignition 12 volts, so you just wire that into your ignition switch, so that's pretty easy. Two wires go off to the sensor at the front, and you need obviously an earth to it. And the other thing, it comes with it already as well. All these, all the wires are pre-wired into a loom, so you just basically connect them all up. Yeah. So anyway, yes, another one goes off to your water pump, which connects, because I'm running a Davis Cray water pump. It means I can just connect straight into it. So I mounted the sensor to the left hand side of my head. I'd already drilled this out and tapped an MPT thread into it, so I just removed the old one. Unfortunately it was a larger MPT, so I originally had an 1/8 in there, and now I've gone up to a 1/4. But hey, it's no big deal. Just drill it out a bit more, and I mean, I'm lucky because I've got all the taps to do it, so I'll just then tap that one out and put the new sensor in. But another thing you can do, in case you haven't got an area where you can put your sensor into the engine, you can, which comes with a kit, is just put this in your top hose. So just connect that in, and then the sensor will wind into there. So anyway guys, this is a really short video. There'll be a lot more videos coming shortly, so I have taken quite a lot of footage, so I will be uploading some new videos. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.